Did you know that nearly 50% of Americans avoid the dentist due to high costs? Let's change that. It's time to take control of your dental health without draining your wallet. In this video, you'll learn 5 easy tips to access affordable dental care without sacrificing quality. Whether you're dealing with a toothache or just want to keep your smile bright, these tips will help you save money and maintain your oral health. Let's dive in. Many people face the challenge of expensive dental procedures, which can lead to neglecting oral health. It's a tough situation. Do you ignore that nagging cavity because you can't afford it? Or do you bite the bullet and pay a hefty fee? Unfortunately, many opt for the first choice, leading to bigger problems down the line. It's not just about the money, it's about the stress of finding quality care that won't cost you an arm and a leg. Dental bills can pile up quickly, and before you know it, you're avoiding the dentist altogether. This not only affects your teeth but can also impact your overall health. So, what can we do to tackle this challenge? Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.